Yes, this last poem I think is arguably the best poem of all by anybody. Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening by Robert Frost. And I say that because I think it's a poem that satisfies seekers of excellence in literature. But also, I've read this to very young children many, many times, and somehow they seem to get it too. And I can't think of any other poem that has that reach. Whose woods these are, I think I know. His house is in the village, though. He will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. My little horse must think it queer to stop without a farmhouse near, between the woods and frozen lake, the darkest evening of the year. He gives his harness bells a shake to ask if there's some mistake. The only other sounds the sweep of easy wind and downy flake. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep.